In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to click on security and privacy. Then select lock screen. Enter your screen lock and tap on face recognition under Biometrics. Hit continue. Tap on register, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Wait for 100% mark. Now manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!